From lowering blood pressure to improving your workouts, beetroot juice does a lot more than just taste good. Let's take a closer look at why you should consider adding it to your daily routine. Beetroot juice offers several health benefits due to its rich nutritional content. Here are some of the key advantages. 1. Improves blood pressure. Beetroot juice is high in nitrates, which can help dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow, leading to a reduction in blood pressure. 2. Boosts stamina and exercise performance. The nitrates in beetroot juice also help enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen delivery to muscles, which can increase endurance and stamina. 3. Supports heart health. The antioxidants, fiber, and nitrates in beetroot juice can promote heart health by lowering cholesterol and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. 4. Detoxifies the body. Beetroot juice contains betalains, compounds with anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties that help support liver function and remove toxins from the body. 5. Improves digestion. The fiber in beetroot juice promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. 6. Boosts brain function. The improved blood flow from beetroot juice may also benefit cognitive function, enhancing memory and concentration. 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. The betalains in beetroot juice have strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping reduce the risk of chronic inflammation-related diseases. 8. Supports weight loss. Beetroot juice is low in calories and high in nutrients, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet as it helps improve metabolism and promote fat burning. 9. Rich in vitamins and minerals. It provides a variety of nutrients such as vitamin C, folate, potassium, and manganese, all of which contribute to overall health and well-being. While beetroot juice is generally safe and beneficial, it's best to consume it in moderation, especially for people with kidney issues due to its high oxalate content. Subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips, simple recipes, and expert advice on how to live your healthiest life.